Hi guys, it's Ian Ross here, speaking to you from my quarantine hotel in Bangkok. Here for 7 days, then going straight into lockdown probably. Not the best of decisions, but you guys can make a great decision and promote our next launch, Instant Traffic App, which goes live at 10 AM EST on Wednesday the 5th of May. Again, I've teamed up with Bill McRae and Alex Moss for this launch. We've been working on ClickBank for well over a decade, but this is our second Warrior Plus launch, and we're really excited to continue working with you guys over on this great platform. Last time out, we got some amazing support from many of you guys: Glyn Koski, Chris and Rich, James Fawcett and Mark Barrett, Jason Fulton, Yves Coyo, Matthew Tang and Tom Loire, Alan Malioka, to name just a few. We'd love to get even more people on board for this launch. You can be absolutely 100% sure that we will have your backs. We've been hitting loads of you guys' launches over the last 6 weeks, and we'll be continuing to reciprocate hard for everybody that supports us. Bill and his team have made an awesome product that your customers are going to absolutely love. It's basically an automated traffic app that will get your subscribers an absolute ton of great quality buyer traffic. You can find all the details about the product and the funnel below this video, and also about the contest that we're running throughout the launch. The JV document, graphics, all your email swipes and contest and launch dates, again, you can find them all on this page. So thanks for taking the time to listen to this video. We'd love to have you on board. Sign up for JV updates. Our Skype details are at the bottom of this page, and let's make some money together.